welcome back everyone, Mike here. I believe that spring has sprung. Well, maybe not quite, but it's getting pretty close. It is a beautiful day here today. It's about 42 degrees, the sun's shining. After the last month or so, it feels like it's about 70 out. But I just got home from work a few minutes ago, and what I was planning on doing, I was going to grab the saw and head out in the woods. I want to get some of that red pine down on the ground, and then someday I'll get a bunch of that out of the woods and take it to the sawmill. But it's pretty windy on the way home. It's not quite as bad now. I really don't like cutting trees when it's windy. So I decided just to bring the excavator out here and grease it up and fuel it up. And when I opened the garage door, I noticed a lot of water was running in the building. I won't have that problem once the floor is poured. It'll be about 5 inches higher than what it is right now. And I've got positive drainage as it is going around the building here. But with all that ice buildup and the big melt off, it's starting to run into the building. Plus, I got water coming off the roof. Even though I got gutters on there, that ice, it just slides down. And I've got the snow catchers on there, but it's just a mess this time of year. So I busted up that ice there and used a blade, and I can tell the water's starting to go the right direction. But anyway, I'm going to hop out here and grease up this excavator. Once the snow melts off, I need some fill brought up for that side of the building over there where the patio goes. I need to finish the road around the building. I'm going to have the plumber up here in a few weeks probably. It's going to thaw out pretty quick in these temperatures, but right now the ground's frozen solid. The electrician, concrete guy, whole bunch of stuff going to be happening here pretty soon. I'm just, I don't know what it is about the weather and the time of year, but I've just got this big boost of energy right now. Last couple weeks, you know, it's been so cold and kind of miserable. Not a lot you can do, and you just find yourself not really getting into a lot of things, but I'm chomping at the bit. I am looking forward to this year. I made the mistake last year saying I couldn't wait for 2020, and we know how that turned out, but I am really looking forward to 2021. Looks like most of the country's warming up a little bit right now, so that's good. All good things happening, I think. We'll see. All right, I was just getting ready to grease the machine, and daughter Eva and Hannah came out, headed to the gym. How's the driving thing going?
I can't tell if it's gotten better or worse.
Really? You've done pretty good, I thought.
Yeah, I was doing good. Some days are rough, but...
What happens? What don't you think? What do you need to improve?
I can't turn.
What do you mean you can't turn?
No, she does well. She just doesn't accept critique very well.
Really? I've noticed that.
She doesn't accept correction very well.
Huh.
I think I do well.
But you've been driving pretty much every day going to the gym.
Yeah.
We need to take you on a longer trip someday.
I agree.
All right. Well, be careful. Wear your seatbelts. Okay. If I send you a text as soon as you pull out of the driveway, what do you do?
Read it.
Look at it.
You wouldn't even know that I sent the text because you're not looking at your phone.
Yeah.
All right.
Goodbye.
See you later. So this is actually the first time I greased this machine. I've got about 20 hours on it so far, but that wasn't like 20 hours of digging or anything like that. I did do a little bit of land clearing with it, but it's mostly just carrying logs and moving things around, so I haven't been working it real hard. Well, I am 99.9% sure that I got all the grease fittings. Once I get out, I'll do a walk around, but I'm pretty sure I got them all. It's kind of a good feeling having it all greased up, fueled up, ready to go. All I need is some dry weather, which will be coming soon. It's my opinion that greasing a machine like this is the most important preventative maintenance that you can do. When you think about the boom and the stick and the bucket, the thumb, you know, the rotation, the blade, all that's metal on metal, and keeping this thing greased, it will last me a lifetime. I was talking to one of my contractors at work the other day, and he has, I don't even know how many, several of these KX57s, a couple of the KX80s, a bunch of Kubota skid loaders, and his 157 he has in his shop right now. They're just repainting it. It's got 6,000 hours on it. And all he has done to it is put 3 sets of tracks on it in 6,000 hours. So I've had this machine since I got it right at the first of the year, and I got 22 hours on it now. We'll definitely put a bunch of hours on it this summer. But yeah, greasing I think is most important with a machine like this. But anyway, I don't have a whole lot for you today, but one thing that I did want to talk about is this summer and fall. Melissa and I would like to take another trip like we did last year. Not as far. Last year we went out to like Glacier National Park, down to Yellowstone. We were all over. But we'd like to have some meetups this year. If you have any ideas, hopefully some of the shows will be back on this year, like Boonville, New York. I'm sure Bunyan will be. That's this fall. They almost had it last year. But would like to meet some of you guys. Maybe map something out. And it doesn't even have to be a show. We could rent a hall or something somewhere. I'm just kind of talking out loud right now. But it's been a rough year, kind of all cooped up and everything, and not getting to meet many people. And we would like to do that this year. You guys watch our videos all the time, and you get to know us. And I'd like to meet more of you, and I know Melissa would as well. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I'm not sure how that would all look or how it would work, but I know we could come up with something. You know, we can't really just say everybody come here. You know, I can't have a couple thousand people show up or something here. But it'd be great to be able to make a trip around the country like we did last year, but maybe have 7 or 8 different stops. So, you know, plan everything out in advance. I think it would be good. But we have a great community here, and we have all you to thank for that. And this year is going to be a good year. It really is. We'll have some real good content, a lot of things going on. I like building stuff and doing things, you know what I mean? And we got a lot of that planned for this year. This building is really going to be nice. There's a lot of work to do, but it'll all make real good content for videos. I've been watching that R&R Buildings, like for the Versetta Stone. That's a good channel, and I like watching their stuff, and I've been learning a lot from them. I'm no builder, but I can get by doing a lot of different things, and it helps to be able to see people do it. That's how I learn things. Reading instructions, forget about it. I have to be able to watch somebody doing it, and I have to be interested in what they're doing. If I'm not interested, I just check out. I don't know. I've always been like that. But something that interests me, I'm all in. But it has to interest me, that's for sure. One other thing that I wanted to mention, we have that Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. I actually started another one, and I'll tell you why here in just a minute, but it's just Outdoors with the Morgans Videos is what it's called. And I'll put a link in the description. And what I'm going to do is start uploading the same videos on YouTube onto that Facebook page, but also some older videos, some of my favorite ones, and I may do some like condensed videos. You know what I mean? If I have a 15 or 20 minute video, just try to condense it down. Mostly like work stuff and project stuff. So there won't be a lot of talking and things on there. But I'm just going to try that and see how that goes. So I will put a link in the description. I got the page up and running tonight. I'll start uploading some videos to it. But sometimes I like a shorter video throughout the week, and other times on the weekends I like a longer one. It all depends, but we'll just see how it goes. If you're on Facebook, though, it's worth checking out. And I think that's about it. My phone's blowing up here. Family's all texting. This is our most busiest time of the day right now, It's about 20 to 6 right now. And look at the sky right now. Is that awesome or what? It's like 6:30 before it gets dark. And we changed the clocks on March 14th, which will be fantastic. Cannot wait. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get out in the woods there after work, drop some of those red pines. Like I mentioned before, they're all going to go inside the building here. Kind of a board and batten look in the garage part. So I'm going to have to figure out what all I need. And I'm also going to have to figure out the length, because around the bottom we'll have like some wainscoting, some tin or something. And then that red pine from there up to the ceiling. And then a white, I think it's white, yeah, metal on the ceiling. So, but anyway, I'm rambling on right now. Like I said, check out the new Facebook page. And also let me know in the comments. Give me some ideas, you know, for this summer, where we could meet up or how we could go about that. I think that'd be a lot of fun. I want to meet some of you guys. But I think that's about it. So, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.
All right, so this is some bonus footage. Grandson Ty just got here, and he seriously freezes. Tell everybody. He loves to watch the equipment, but especially the excavator. And Mike usually has to do a whole little routine for him. We'll be up in the window. You know how the dogs will look out the window when someone pulls in or whatever. Ty is right there when he hears any of Pap's equipment.
He always does the shocked.
Look at him. He loves it. You know what? He's in line after me to learn how to run it. I hold you and see. You love it?
Something
Tell
like
everybody.
pulling into the garage whenever Ty's here. Add a good 5 minutes to it usually.
And I don't know if you can hear Ty. He does a little growl. What would you call it? The machine noise?
Yeah, engine noises.
Engine noise.
I don't know. Yeah.
Can you hear him? He hears that. It's instantly. And when he gets his plastic
Yeah.
die-cast
He's
ones,
doing it now.
Where is it?
Where'd he go?
All right. Tell everyone. Thanks so much. Click the like. And be sure you're subscribed. There, he's smiling. He's smiling.